हेलो गाइस। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं, लास्ट सेशन में हमने देखा कि इंस्टॉलेशन कैसे करने का, ओपन कैसे करने का, राइट। आज हम क्या देखेंगे, इस पाइथन में थोड़े कीवर्ड्स है जो हम वेरिएबल नेम करके यूज नहीं कर सकते, वो देखेंगे। लाइक सी एंड है, एंड दिस इज वन कीवर्ड, वी कैन नॉट यूज दिस एज अ what variable name. So I will type here some keywords are there in comment. Okay, we use here double in Python for commenting, so that is and, we cannot use and. Then del dash delete, this also we cannot use. Then global, so many are there. In that some I will tell you. Not, then with, as, ये नोट डाउन करो आप लोग भी, क्योंकि हम क्या करते हैं एक बार यूज करते हैं, बट वी शुड नॉट यूज दिस. Okay, elif, see we use here elif. In C how what we use else-if, but in Python it is elif. Then yield, yield, yield is there. Assort, you just note down this all things, so you will get. You can see here I have written all the things. So these are the reserved keywords. Okay, so we should not use these keywords as what variable. It is reserved keywords in Python. Okay, so समझो आपको next row चाहिए, उसके लिए क्या करने का, you can go in insert and cell below, or you can do shift enter also. It will take one more row, shift plus enter. Okay. Okay, so suppose if you are doing any programming, normally you will face three errors. That error you can comment that error also. That error will be syntax error. If any syntax is not there, it will give syntax error. Then logic error also will get. Suppose if you are doing any programming, if you face you will not, sometimes what will happen, you will not, because in program there will not be any error, but your output will be wrong. That time you will get logic error. Okay, then semantic error. Semantic error means indentation. Okay, in Python also indentation is very important, because it will give error. If there is not indentation program, then it will give error. So what are that normal, three normal error that we'll see. Normally we face these error, that is syntax, logic and semantic. Okay, so you can note down this also. Next we'll see what variable we can use in Python. So I'll write in command. This is everything I'm writing for your reference. Okay, variables we use in Python. See, you can use this underscore a comma a to z, you can use anything. Okay, then next capital A also you can use, and z. Then underscore name, this also you can use. This we use in Python. Okay, then next we'll see. Now we'll see numbers. I hope you're getting what I'm typing or what I'm telling. So now we'll see numbers, that is Python numbers. Okay, it will be hash. See, in C we have like int is there, float is there, complex is there, double is there, long is there, but here we use int. First one is int, second one is float, and third one is what, complex. Okay, I'll give this in multi-line. I'll copy, Control X and paste here. Okay, these we called as Python numbers. So I'll give just one example. Okay, see, if it is integer, x is equal to 1, it is what, int. Okay, then y is equal to 2.8, it will be what, float. And for complex, z is equal to 1j, it will be in complex form. Okay, so these are the Python numbers. Next we'll see. Okay, now you have seen Python numbers. See, now we'll see one function is there, that is type function. We'll see how that type function will work. So see, it is what int, it is float. Suppose I want to know this by using function, then you can write like this. See, directly print into bracket type of x. If you write like this, it will tell which type of it is. See, x is not defined. Okay, it is telling x is not defined because I'll run this. See, because I have not run, so it is showing. See, now you can see here class is what? Int. So it is telling which type of it is, int type. Suppose I want to see y type, then what I will do? Same, I will copy this. Means I want to say, like, if you want to know the type, you can use type function. So it will tell which type of it is, whether it is float, whether it is int. See, it will tell it is float type. Same for complex also, you can take. So in Python there are lots of functions are there. By using that we can do program very easily. Control V. Okay, see here it is telling int, float and complex. Suppose one more example I'll take. Suppose if the value is negative, what it will give? Whether int will be, see, if you are giving negative also, what it will take? It will take int only. Okay, and suppose if my value is very long, we'll see for that what it will show. So I'll take a variable and I'll take some long value like 3 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can see what will tell, it will tell long value. We'll see what it will show here. Okay, print into bracket type of a, print. See, a is not defined because I have not run this. See, I will run this, shift and enter, then shift and enter. See, it is also int. Means if you give any number, whether it is long or small, it will take int only. If you give here point, what it will see? Point. I am running this. You can use here also run. See, it is telling float, right? So by using this type function, we can see which type of variable it is. Now we'll see basic how to do addition. Just I'm telling what we can do in today's session. So you can see here, suppose I'll take one variable like a is equal to 10, I'll take, and then b is equal to 20. Here there is no need to take colon, semicolon, okay, because it will take like that only. There is no need to take that. So it is the best feature of this Python. So a plus b I'll do. Okay, it will take what it will give 30. Suppose if you want to store these values in one variable, that also you can do. C is equal to a plus b and print C. So it is printing 30C. Like this also you can do. Suppose if I want to print a float value, then 10 colon 3 C. Answer is 30.3. So we can do simple. See, in 4 lines only we are doing our addition program. So it is very simple. So same you can do for what? Subtraction also. See here, if you take your minus, it will do subtract, and same what? Multiplication also we can do. For that we need to take what? Star. It will multiply and it will give the result. Then divide, it will give the result. See, it is very simple language. In 4 lines only we are finishing all the program. Suppose if you want this all addition, subtraction, multiplication in one program only, that also we can do. Just we need to change this variable, right? See here, I'll take plus, then same, Control C 4 times. See here, I'll take D, sorry, we'll take here like this, sum 1 subtraction, okay, then multiply mul, then division div. We'll change here minus star and divide. Then we need to print that all. So control V. Here I'll write like this, sum 1. Suppose if you want variable also and that result also, like this you can do sum 1, so it will look good, right? Colon. Then same, I'll copy this, control V, control V, control V, okay. Then this is what my sub mul multiplication and division, okay. It will look good, so I'm taking like that, then division. Now we'll print this, shift enter execute. See, in one only we can take all the things, okay. Suppose if you want to do any concatenation, suppose I'll take one name where if you have, before that we'll see how to print any letter. So I'll take hello world. See, it will print hello world. Then I want to do concatenation for one. I'll take one letter and one number. We'll see whether it will do concatenation or not. Before that we'll take both letters only and we'll do concatenation. So I'll write here, I'll take one variable like result is equal to, see, infisky one variable, one letter plus innovate. Whether it will concatenate, we'll see that. Print result. See, infisky innovate. Suppose if I take here number, I'll take here one number, okay. I will not take any string. Whether it will do, that we'll see. See, it is giving error. Why? Because if you're doing any concatenation, then both should be in same type. Like if it is string, it should be string only. If it is integer, it should be integer only. Suppose I'll take here, it will do that only. This is called concatenation, okay. So I'll write here one thing, just like note it is, for concatenation both value should be same, both should be same, should be of same type, okay. Then control S. Suppose if you want to save, you can click here and give your name, Python program, then enter. It will get saved, okay. It is saved now. See, here it is error. Next we'll see, suppose if you want to see any true false, then how we can do that. See, phi is equal to phi, directly it will tell whether it is true or false, okay. Suppose if I take here 4, it will take false. See, very easily it will tell whether it is true or false. We can see type also. I want to see type of this true, so type of true is what? Can anyone comment? Type of true is bool. See, we need to take here capital T. We can see the type also. If I take false also, control C, FALSE false. false. It will take type is bool. Okay, so today's session we have seen only the basics thing. Okay, this all is basic, this you must know, so I told this all the things in today's session. I have didn't told you about this. It's comment. Okay, it's not command, it's comment in Python. So comment. See, we can give two types of comments are there. This is a single line comment and this is a multi-line comment. Okay, so for single line we use hash and for multi-line we use triple quotes. Okay, so in next session we'll see how to do casting and all, typecasting, how we can do. We'll see all the operators one by one we'll take, and I will make sure that you will get all the things and you will learn Python very easily from this tutorial. Okay, so follow our all tutorials. We have playlist also. So I hope you're getting all the things. So thank you so much everyone. If you like our tutorial what we are providing, then please do share and subscribe to our channel. So thank you so much.